Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to adjust quality in Netflix or how to change Netflix quality. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to the Netflix app. After that, click on My Netflix. After that, click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. And after that, click on App Settings. And as you can see here on the top of the screen, there is like an option called Video Quality. Click on it. Here you have two choices. The first one is Standard. And with Standard, you will have like not very good quality. It will be standard quality, but it will consume less data. And you can choose also higher, which will take more storage and take more data also on your phone or the device that you are using the Netflix on. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.